Yeah, traders. Yeah, welcome to the weekend analysis. It is another weekend, and I'm going to share market outlook for next week. And this will be from 18th to 22nd of March. So it is continuation of what I analyzed last week because market has been moving within projection. So if you didn't watch my previous analysis, go and watch actually. And the link is also in a video description so you can find previous analysis. So actually this is going to be a top-down analysis from the monthly time frame. Then I'll be going down to 4-hour time frame, but for the purpose of this analysis, I will add the 1-hour time frame, and I'll be reading candles, the wave counts as you see in the chart, and also I'll be including the trend lines and support and the resistance. So now I'm in a monthly chart, so we can see those key things to consider in a monthly chart. Now, basically, we see a March candle has opened strongly bullish to the upside, and it is trading above this level. So in most cases, we expect now buyers are winning in a monthly time frame. So that is powerful. We're looking up in a monthly time frame. So this upward movement, it's just a continuation of the previous 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the upside. So basically, we are running in completion of the fifth wave to the upside. So that is the overall outlook in monthly time frame. But basically, we see a sort of rejection, even though we have left with 13 days for the monthly candle to close. So we cannot consider totally that March candle is going to have this rejection. So anything can happen. Buyers can come in, push to the upside, then a candle can close with a bullish momentum, a stronger bullish. So let's wait for those 13 days to lapse. Then let me go straight to the weekly time frame to see what are the key things. And basically, as I highlighted last week, I talked about the 1, 2, 3 to the upside, correction, 1, 2, 3 to the upside, correction, 1, 2, 3. So basically, currently we expected to see the same thing, 1, 2, 3. 1 has already completed, so we're looking for the second wave, then third to the upside. So that's why I'm saying we are up in gold in those, in higher time frames like the monthly and also the weekly time frame. So any movement to the downside is just a correction. So you have to be cautious when you are trading in a sell direction. So that's very, very powerful. And as I projected last week, we expect a sell. So last week we were here. So as I projected that we expect a sell, so we see now this weekly candle has closed with a bearish momentum, so that has been powerful and market has been aligning within a projection. Then quickly in daily time frame, we can see the highlight. There are a lot of things here. So basically, for those who understand the wave counts, they see the waves there, support and resistance, the trend lines and the candles are there. Also the candlestick patterns now, they are also included here. So basically, last week as I projected, so I presented this, you see where it has started up there. So I was projecting for a possible move to the downside in any way, but mainly we are going to expect, we expect to see price moving at those levels down here. We have this static support. Now it was resistance previously, so it has turned into support. So price must come. In most cases, we expect to see it coming here. And also at the same time, we have this one. So we have the first touch, second touch. So we expect to see the third touch at this region. So we have two things here that are the factors of confidence for price to come here. And also, as market is moving, actually, I will be including the Fibonacci and everything. But in most cases, here is around 61% and 50%. So that's very powerful region. That is a daily time frame, and my final time frame is the 4-hour. But for the purpose of this, I'll touch the 1 hour. So basically, in the 4-hour time frame, the market is much clearer because we see now those minor movements. So price completed this move to the upside, and then the move to the downside started. But now this week, price has been mostly sideways. So even though the bearish momentum has dominated to a certain extent, but in most cases, market has been moving sideways. Now it was in formation of this triangle pattern. So I have discovered a triangle pattern. So basically, this was the first leg. So price has been moving in A, B, C, D. So actually, I expected to see completion of wave E, then the price move outside of this channel, retest, then continue to the downside. So that's the opportunity for next week. So we have to watch for a possible slightly push to the upside. Now triangles are very tricky, so sometimes cannot move that higher to this level up here. So it may end up halfway and then come outside of the channel. So now a key area to watch. So make sure that you watch a break at this level. You watch for a break at this level. Then you'll be watching for a retest now. Be careful with a retest at this area here. So this retest will be primary confirmation for a sell. So once price has been broken and pushed it to this level, so we'll be basically selling, and in most cases let's sell up to around 21.27, even though price may go up to 21.25, but you can put you take your profits around 21.27. That's powerful. And after that, price is expected to continue to the upside. So we'll discuss those things next week, or if there'll be any update, I'll be providing in Telegram channel. So link is in the video description. Now, but alternatively now, you have to be cautious now when the price is moving up here. So be watchful when the price is coming up here, because the price may break to the upside, retest, then continue to the upside. That is also possible. This is also possible. So be careful when the price is moving up. But if this upper channel is going to reject the price to the downside and break this level, that is a beautiful sell. And this is my primary projection. So primarily, I expect to see price moving down next week than this movement to the upside. So thank you for your time. Like this video, put comment if you have anything, and make sure that you do your own analysis and you watch analysis from other traders in order to have confidence for the what we call the trading opportunities now next week. So thank you and have a powerful weekend.